this stunning fly lands on my Sundew. It's called a green lacewing, known for its translucent wings and distinctive marble-like eyes that look incredible under macro. Lacewings are often seen as delicate, almost fragile insects, drifting quietly through the air and found in gardens at dusk. However, their calm appearance hides something far more predatory beneath the surface. But this time, this one has landed on a Sundew. And this particular one is a Cape Sundew, which is my favourite out of all my carnivorous plants. Usually by this point the Sundew would have reacted to the insect. However, because the body is not captured and it's mainly the legs, and although the dewdrops are slowly closing in, it's taking time to capture this prey. This sometimes happens with these plants. Larger insects such as wasps and giant flies that are too big for the plant can easily escape, and it saves the plant using too many resources. However, in this situation, this one is digestible by the plant, and it can be used as a powerful food source. The lacewing is unaware of the danger it is in, and it's desperately trying to clean the glue off itself. At this point it's been quite a while of filming, so I switched to a time lapse to see if the plant reacts any quicker. As you can see, the fly moves around, thrashes and twists. However, the plant is still not reacting. But this lacewing appears to be slowing down. There's only so much energy it can use to break free. I return 6 hours later to find the Sundew has finally curled over on the lacewing, but it's still only a partial capture, so I take an opportunity to have a look at those eyes again. When the Sundew is like this, it's difficult for it to digest its prey, and a large amount of energy is being used and expended, but in the end the lacewing succumbs to the power of the plant and digestion begins, and this is an excellent source of nutrients for this Cape Sundew.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.